Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to cook an egg with ramen. First, bring about 2.5 cups of water to a boil in a small saucepan. Once boiling, add your ramen noodles and cook them for 2 minutes, stirring gently to separate them. Next, make a small space in the noodles, creating a perfect spot for your egg. Carefully crack one egg directly into this space, ensuring the yolk remains intact for a beautiful finish. To achieve your desired egg consistency, cover the saucepan. For a delightfully runny yolk, let it cook for just 1 minute. If you prefer a slightly firmer yolk, allow it to cook for 2 minutes. After cooking, remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in the seasoning packet until it is fully incorporated. Finally, transfer your delicious ramen to a bowl and add any desired garnishes, such as fresh green onions or a sprinkle of sesame seeds. When potential buyers reach out, be prompt and transparent in your communication. Answer all questions honestly and provide any requested information. For test drives, always meet in a safe, public location during daylight hours and consider bringing a friend. Be prepared for negotiation. Most buyers expect to haggle a bit. Have a minimum price in mind, but remain flexible. A good negotiation can lead to a mutually beneficial agreement for both parties. Once your ramen is ready, serve it immediately in a warm bowl to fully enjoy its comforting flavors. Use chopsticks to savor the noodles and a spoon for the rich broth and perfectly cooked egg. Don't hesitate to experiment with various ramen flavors and egg preparations to discover your personal favorite. This simple yet satisfying meal is incredibly versatile and makes a wonderful dish for any occasion.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.